First, I will listen to you, your questions, sharings, doubts, then lead you into process. Anybody has anything to share, ask, talk, please pick up the mic. Yes.
Yes, Swamiji. This morning, Rajiv Malhotra highlighted that their Ivy League universities, and what they've been doing is they're doing all these publications and trying portray Hinduism in a wrong manner.
Very, very bad light.
Yes, Swamiji.
They are directly attacking whatever we consider as valuable. You see, the three major beliefs of Hinduism, God in the form of woman, they are attacking. And because in the Western religions, see, there are only two sets of religions: Dharma-based religion, Veda-based, Buddhism, Jainism, Sikhism, Hinduism, all, and Abrahamic-based, Judaism, the early Christianity, modern Christianity, Islam, all. These two civilizations, one of the major important component of our civilization is God in the form of mother, Devi. The female being God they can't tolerate. That they are attacking heavily. Second, our important belief structure is God assumes human body and manifests and teaches. That they are attacking. No, that they can't tolerate that.
Yes, Swamiji.
Which is not there, you see, which they do not have, which we have, which is successfully keeping us alive, they are studying. These are the few which is successfully keeping us alive. Next is, the third is the pilgrimage. Kshetra means the divine is experienced in certain place through certain action. It is unique to Hinduism. Because Mecca, pilgrim or the pilgrim to Jerusalem, all that is much later.
Yes, Swamiji.
The source of this lifestyle is we. Going to a place, Kashi, and doing certain action and connecting with the divine. Going to Prayag and doing certain action, jumping into the river, taking bath, or through that action, connecting with the divine. This concept is keeping us alive. So this three concept is the very core, unique concept of Hinduism, which is keeping us alive forever. That three only they are attacking. They write tons of material abusing our Kali, all our Devi worship systems, the mother worship systems, and they produce tons of material on our pilgrimage lifestyle, like where we congregate together either to take snan or to do a worship, whether it is a Sabarimala or Amarnath Yatra or the Kashi Yatra or the Kumbh Mela. They produce voluminous materials abusing it. And very recently in Tamil Nadu one book was released, which even we were not able to get a stay from the court, which says our temple chariot festivals are collective orgies.
Wow.
One novel in Tamil Nadu, our temple chariot festivals are collective orgies, and we are not able to stop it. We are not able to get even stay from court. See, there is an area where their community is highly, thickly populated. They have their Kuladevata. The Kuladevata is the family identity, the community identity. So for their Kuladevata family deity, they do every year festival. So that is being misrepresented and completely unimaginable abusive content, not only generated, unimaginably circulated. It is like a whole world. Only 10 crore Tamilians are there. Whole world. First edition of that book goes 1 crore print. 10% is going, actually 10% is going to read. Then who is funding? From where the money is coming? It is not about the business deal. It is about the whole defaming Hindu practices.
Yes, Swamiji.
Hindu lifestyles. And nothing of what is written in that novel, even ever imagined in those rituals. It is all decent public gathering, celebration. At the most there is music and little dance, that's all. That also men separate, women separate.
Yeah.
It is like they have sold the whole, that community, women's privacy and pride and respect. If somebody reads that, and 1 crore is printed and circulated freely.
Wow.
Producing large abusive content. So we are all the time in the run of defending. Understand?
Yes, Swamiji.
We are all the time busy in defending. We will never be able to do what we need to do to the world. If you are constantly abusing my mother, my sister, my neighbor, I will have to be running to protect them. Where is the time I have to do the work I want to do? Keeping us engaged. Keeping us engaged without doing creative work.
Keep us on the defensive all the time.